Replacing windows is a smart investment for New Orleans homeowners looking to improve comfort, efficiency, and protection against the region's unique climate. With heat, humidity, and frequent storms, proper window installation plays a critical role in how well new windows perform. Knowing what to expect during a window installation project helps homeowners feel prepared and confident throughout the process. A detailed home evaluation before installation. Every successful window installation begins with an on-site evaluation. Installers assess existing windows, frames, and surrounding walls to identify any issues that may affect installation. In New Orleans homes, this step is especially important due to moisture exposure and the potential for hidden damage caused by humidity or past storms. Addressing these concerns early ensures the new windows perform as intended. Accurate measurements for a precise fit. Precise measurements are essential for a successful installation. Installers measure each window opening carefully, often in multiple places, to account for settling or uneven framing. For New Orleans homeowners, accurate sizing ensures tight seals that protect against air leaks, water intrusion, and noise. Choosing the right installation day and timeline. Window installation projects are usually completed efficiently, but timing can vary depending on the number of windows and home conditions. In New Orleans homes, installers may plan around weather conditions to ensure safe and effective installation. Homeowners are typically informed about the expected timeline so they can plan accordingly. Removal of old windows. The installation process begins with the careful removal of existing windows. Installers take steps to protect surrounding walls, floors, and furniture. In New Orleans homes, special care is often taken when removing older windows that may be affected by moisture or structural wear. Preparing the window opening. Before installing new windows, the opening is cleaned, inspected, and prepared. This may include repairing minor damage, reinforcing framing, or adjusting the sill for proper drainage. Proper preparation is critical in New Orleans to prevent future moisture problems and ensure long-lasting performance. Installing the new windows. The new window is positioned, leveled, and secured into place. Installers check alignment carefully to ensure smooth operation and proper sealing. In New Orleans homes, correct installation helps windows withstand wind, rain, and temperature changes. Sealing and weatherproofing. One of the most important steps is sealing the window to prevent air and water infiltration. High-quality sealants, insulation, and flashing are used to create a protective barrier. For New Orleans homeowners, this weatherproofing step is essential for managing humidity and storm-related moisture. Interior and exterior finishing touches. After installation, interior and exterior trim are installed or adjusted to create a clean, finished appearance. Homeowners in New Orleans often appreciate how professional finishing enhances both the look and performance of their new windows. Final inspection and cleanup. Once installation is complete, installers conduct a final inspection to ensure each window operates properly and meets quality standards. The work area is cleaned, and homeowners receive guidance on window operation and basic care. Professional installation makes the difference. Professional installation ensures new windows perform as expected in New Orleans' challenging climate. With proper planning, careful preparation, and expert installation, homeowners can expect a smooth process and long-lasting results. A smooth upgrade for New Orleans homes. Understanding what to expect during a window installation project removes uncertainty and stress. For New Orleans homeowners, professional window installation delivers improved comfort, better protection, and peace of mind, making it a worthwhile investment for the home's future.